The Quantum Armada. In the year 2147, humanity had reached the stars. Earth was now part of the Interstellar Federation, a group of planets working together for peace and progress. But the peace was fragile. Deep in the Orion sector, strange signals had been detected. They came from a place called the Abyssal Rift, a dark region of space no one dared to explore. These signals were unlike anything humanity had ever encountered. Scientists believed they came from an ancient civilization, one that had mastered quantum technology, machines that could bend space and time. The Federation called for a mission to investigate. The crew of the starship Nova Captain Elena Drake was chosen to lead the mission aboard the starship Nova. She was a seasoned explorer with a reputation for courage. Her crew included Dr. Auryn, a quantum physicist and the brains of the operation; Commander Tasha Hain, the ship's second-in-command, skilled in combat and strategy; Lieutenant Kai Moreno, a young engineer with a knack for solving impossible problems; Ensign Mira Solis, a communications officer fluent in alien languages. The Nova set off toward the Abyssal Rift. As they approached, the crew noticed the stars around them dimming. Space itself felt heavier, as if reality was bending. The Armada revealed. When the Nova entered the Abyssal Rift, they found a fleet of massive ships unlike anything in the Federation. The ships shimmered, their surfaces constantly shifting, as if made of liquid metal. Dr. Voss was astonished. "These are quantum vessels," he said. "They exist in multiple states at once. They're here and not here." The ships were not abandoned. An advanced race called the Auryn controlled them. The Auryn were ancient beings, their bodies glowing with energy. They had survived the collapse of their galaxy by using quantum technology to escape into another dimension. Now they were returning. First contact. The Auryn's leader, Prime Overseer Kale, contacted the Nova. Their voice was calm but firm. "You have entered restricted space. Leave now or face the Quantum Armada." Captain Drake responded, "We come in peace. We wish to learn from you, not to harm you." Kale hesitated. "Peace? That is not what we have seen from your kind. Your species destroys what it does not understand." Dr. Voss stepped forward. "We are not all the same. Let us prove it. A test of worth." Kyle decided to test the humans. They gave the crew of the Nova a challenge to navigate a maze of quantum anomalies. Inside this maze, time flowed strangely and space folded on itself. The Nova's instruments went haywire. Using their wits, the crew worked together. Lieutenant Moreno discovered how to stabilize the ship's engines. Ensign Solis decoded the Auryn's ancient symbols to guide them through. Commander Hain protected the ship from quantum storms. Finally, Captain Drake made a daring decision to trust her instincts and take a risky shortcut. They emerged from the maze, battered but victorious. Kale was impressed. "You have shown courage and unity. Perhaps your kind is not beyond redemption." The Quantum Armada's purpose. The Auryn revealed their true purpose. The Quantum Armada was not a weapon, it was a safeguard. They had built it to protect the fabric of reality. Long ago, their own experiments with quantum technology had nearly destroyed their galaxy. They now sought to prevent others from making the same mistakes. But the signals from the Abyssal Rift had attracted others, less peaceful than the Federation. A warlike species known as the Zyrran was approaching, intent on stealing the Auryn's technology. The final battle. The Nova joined forces with the Quantum Armada to defend the rift. The Zyrran ships were fast and heavily armed, but they could not match the Auryn's quantum technology. With the Nova's help, the Armada outmaneuvered the Zyrran fleet. In the heat of battle, Captain Drake made a bold move. She used the Nova to disrupt the Zyrran flagship's power core, forcing them to retreat. The crew celebrated, but they knew the victory came at a cost: a new alliance. After the battle, the Auryn thanked the humans. Kale said, "You have proven yourselves worthy allies. We will share some of our knowledge, but only under strict guidance." The Nova returned to Earth with incredible discoveries. The Federation began a new era of cooperation with the Auryn, learning to use quantum technology responsibly. Captain Drake and her crew became legends, known as the first humans to ally with the Quantum Armada. But they knew their journey was only the beginning. The stars held many more secrets, waiting to be uncovered. And so the Nova prepared for its next mission, ready to face whatever lay beyond the horizon.